Hello student, we learn the name of the chapter linear equation in variable. It contain our practice set is a 1.3. त्यामध्ये स्टुडंट आपला क्वेश्चन आहे तो म्हणजे solve the simultaneous equations using Cramer's rule. Student, with the help of the Cramer's rule we have to solve the simultaneous equation. Student, simultaneous equation solve करायचे म्हणजे काय करायचं? We have to find the value of variable, student. And which are the variables? Here variables are the x and y. We have to find by Cramer's rule. Next, now student, here these are the questions already in the form of ax plus by equal to c. Student, ह्या फॉर्म मध्ये ऑलरेडी इक्वेशन्स आहेत त्यामुळे काही विषय नाही. डायरेक्टली आपण जाऊयात टू फाइंड द डिटर्मिनंट्स. ओके, नाउ टू फाइंड d. ओके, d is equal to, how we find the student? Here first is the column of the coefficient of x. Here are the 3 and 4. Next column is student coefficient of y, -4 and here 3. Check, -4 and 3. We have to find the value equal to, student, do the multiplication of these two. What's the multiplication? 3 into 3. So 3 multiply 3 minus. Now student, multiplication of this is a 4 multiply -4. What's answer, student? 3 into 3, 9, minus. Student, minus, and 4 into 4 is a 16. So here is a -16, but because of the minus sign here is a bracket, is equal to 9 minus plus 16. What's answer is a 25. Means student, you got the value of d is a 25. Student, value of d is a 25. Now we going towards to find the dx. So let's come. dx is equal to, here is the determinant, student. Student, here is the place of the coefficient of x, but don't write if there is a dx. Student, then we have to write here the constant numbers, which are that 10, 5. आधीच्या व्हिडिओमध्ये सांगितलंय स्टुडंट तुम्हाला की ज्यावेळेस तुम्ही dx फाइंड करत असतात त्यावेळेस x चे कोएफिशिएंट लिहायचे नाही. मग कोण लिहायचं स्टुडंट? कॉन्स्टंट्स. कोण आहेत कॉन्स्टंट? 10 and 5. कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ y -4, 3. स्टुडंट, डू द मल्टिप्लाय 10 into 3. मिडल साइन माइनस. स्टुडंट, हियर 5 multiply -4. Check, 5 multiply -4. Student, next step equal to 10 into 3 is a 30 minus 5 into 4 is a 20, but here is a minus sign. Student, due to the minus sign here is a bracket. 30 minus plus 20, answer 30 plus 20 is a 50. Means student, we got dx equal to 50. Now student, we going next is the dy. Now here dy is equal to, is a determinant, student. First is the coefficient of x and second column is a coefficient of y, but at the time to write the coefficient of y there is a constant number because here is a dy. So which are the constant? 10, 5. 10, 5 are the constant. Now this is the place of coefficient of x right now. 4. Student, do the multiply, solve the determinant. 3 into 5. So 3 into 5 minus multiply 4 multiply by 10. What's next? Student, 3 into 5, 15 minus, student, 4 into 10 is a 40. Student, what is the 15 minus 40 is the 25. Okay, so this is the value of student dy. And student, finally you got the dy. We have to find the value of x and y by Cramer's rule. So now let's, student, we write by Cramer's rule. What is the formula, student? Formula is that x is equal to dy by d. Oh, x, then here is a x. X is equal to dx by d equal to, student, what is the dx? Value of dx is a 50. So here become a 50 and divide by d, and d is a 22. So here is a 25. Now student, what is the answer? 25 2s are 50. Means student, x is equal to 2. Therefore student, x is equal to 2. Now we have to find the value of y. Use the formula. Which formula? y is equal to student dy by d. So y is equal to, what is the dy student? Dy is a 25. And what is the value of d? D is a 25. Means student is exactly very simple. What is the division? Y is equal to 25 ones are 25. So y equal to 1. मग मस्त पैकी नाव टाका. Answer. Answer नाव टाका स्टुडंट आणि आन्सर लिहून solution is in bracket x comma y equivalent with, what is the value of x? X is a 2 and y is a 1. So student, this example is finished. How we how we write the solution, student? First find the d, after that dx, after that dy by Cramer's rule. X is equal to dx by d. Put the value of dx, put the value of d. You got the value of x. Now next formula, y is equal to dy by d. Put the value of dy, put the value of d. Divide. Answer 1. So y equal to 1. मस्तपैकी नाव टाका. Answer. आणि लिहिणार solution is x, y equal to 2, 1. Exactly right. स्टुडंट सेम असा क्वेश्चन आहे. पॉज करा, सगळं लिहून घ्या, परत प्रॅक्टिस करा. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन तुम्हाला एक नंबर सुटणार. चला तर स्टुडंट, आपल्याला असाच प्रकारचा एक क्वेश्चन घ्यायचा आहे. लेट्स नाव. Hello student, our practice set number 1.3 and the question number 3 we have to solve the simultaneous equations. Students, simultaneous equation solve करणे म्हणजे नेमका काय? We have to find the value of variables and this example contain variables are x and y. So student, we have to find the value of x and the value of y. Let's now student, with the help of the Cramer's rule, means student, first we have to find the determinant as a d is equal to, first column is the coefficient of x, so here is a 2 1, x coefficient 2, x coefficient 1. Student, this is the coefficient of y, so here is plus 3 and here is a minus 1 by 2. Correct? So solve it. Equal to, what's equal? Multiplication of these two, student. So do the multiply. 2 multiply minus 1 by 2. Okay, middle sign minus 1 into 3. Let's now do multiply. 1 multiply by 3. Now student, here 2 to cut, here minus 1 and here is a minus 3. 1 into 3 is a 3. Middle sign minus. Minus 1 minus 3 is a minus 4. What is the minus 1 minus 3 is a minus 4. Now student, this is the value of d. Student, it's the value of d now. Correct? Student, we going towards value of dx. So dx is equal to, student, dx is a determinant, so this is the symbol. Student, first column is the coefficient of x, but आधीच्या लेक्चर मध्ये शिकलोय dx फाइंड करताना कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ x लिहिणार नाहीत. मग काय लिहिणार? कॉन्स्टंट नंबर्स. कॉन्स्टंट नंबर्स आर दिस अपोजिट ऑफ द इक्वल साइन, RHS side 2 1 by 2. This is the position of coefficient of y. It is a 3 and minus 1 by 2. Student, solve it. What is the answer? Here become, student, 2 multiply minus 1 by 2, right? Student, middle sign minus, bracket, multiplication of these two, student, 1 by 2 multiply by 3. What is the answer? Equal to 2 to cut, here is the minus 1, middle sign minus. Student, multiplication is that 1 into 3 is a 3 and divided by 2. Student, do the cross multiplication here now. Denominator is 1. Okay. 2 into minus 1 is a minus 2. Middle sign is a minus and 1 into 3 is a 3. Student, and denominator 1 into 2 is a 2. Student, here we use the cross multiply. What is the cross multiply, student? Minus 1 by 1 and minus 3 by 2. Okay. या दोघांचं मल्टिप्लाय, हे मधी साइन ह्या दोघांचं मल्टिप्लाय आणि डिनॉमिनेटरला ह्या दोघांचं मल्टिप्लाय, अशा टाइप. इक्वल टू minus 2 minus 3 means minus 5 by 2. Means student, dx is a minus 5 by 2. Okay, what is the value of dx, student? Minus 5 by 2. Now student, we going toward the next. We have to find the value of dy. So here dy is equal to determinant. स्टुडंट, आपण आता dy फाइंड करतोय, पण dy फाइंड करत असताना आपल्याला नाही लिहायचे कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ y, आपण त्याच्या जागी यूज करणार कॉन्स्टंट नंबर्स. ओके, सो कॉन्स्टंट नंबर्स 2 1 by 2. Okay, 2 1 by 2 constant numbers, and this is the coefficient of y, less, so 2 1 equal to, solve, student, yes, 1 equal to, here 2 multiply 1 by 2. Correct? Student, here middle sign is a minus. Correct, student? Okay. Then bracket. Here student 2. Here 1 into 2. 1 multiply by 2 student. Equal to. Here 2 to cut. Here 1 is a minus sign. And student 1 into 2 is a 2. Answer is a minus 1. So student, here dy is a minus 1. We going towards here dy is equal to minus 1. So student, here dy is equal to minus 1 and student is the bracket for the dy. Now student, we have to find the value of x and value of y by Cramer's rule. So here we write by Cramer's rule. Student, what is the formula? X is equal to dx by d. Student, what is the value of dx? Dx become minus 5 by 2. So student, here is the minus 5 by 2 and upon, what is the upon? Upon is a d and d is a minus 4. So student, it is equal to minus become a plus. Okay, minus become a plus and multiplication of these two. So 5 by 8 and this is the value of x student. Here is the bracket. Means student, x is equal to 5 by 2. Now student, we have to find the value of y. Here becomes student, y is equal to, what is the formula? Dx by d. What is the dx student? Dx. Okay, here is a y. So here become a dy. Y is equal to dy by d. What is the dy student? Dy is a minus 1. So here is a minus 1 divided by d. What is the d? D is a minus 4. So student, here is a minus 4, minus cut plus. So equal to 1 by 4 is the value of y. So y is equal to student 1 by 4. It is the value of y. So x is equal to 5 by 2 and y is equal to 1 by 4 is our surely definite fixed answer. Mast paiki now taka student. Here answer. Here we write name student, answer. Solution is in the bracket x comma y equivalent within the bracket. What is the x? X is the 5 by 8. Okay, comma. What is the y? Y is the 1 by 4. Okay, student, this is the very easy example. Solve the simultaneous equation by the Cramer's rule. Student, these are the two examples from the practice set 1.3. Student, now we take the example from the problem set and the remaining example for you in the assignment. Okay, let's now next.